Just a few months ago, I put up a video discussing my idea for a beginner pistol project. That video included what I wanted the gun and the setup to do and why I was excited about it. If you missed that video, it'll be linked up here somewhere, but to sum it up for you here, my idea was to set up a suppressed 22 pistol with an optic so that I could take new shooters to the range and just kind of give them the best possible first shooting experience. I definitely had some ideas for what I specifically wanted at the time, but I was also still deciding on a few things, and since then, I have been able to bring the entire project together with the help of Taurus, Big Tech's Ordnance, and Silencer Shop. More on that later though. Let's do an overview on this project and why I've already counted it as a complete success. So here I have a Taurus TX22 competition equipped with a Holosun 507 comp and a Huxworks Flow 22. So far, it has run through a few hundred rounds of assorted supersonic and subsonic 22 ammo, just like my tried and true vintage sewing machine. I'll occasionally have a feed issue, as is the case with cheap 22 ammo, but other than that, this has been pretty boringly reliable and honestly a ton of fun. But as I said earlier, this pistol is not just for fun. Even before this gun was built, I've been most excited about sharing this gun specifically with other people. I have a bunch, and I mean a bunch of nieces and nephews. And I know a lot of people who are interested in shooting, but haven't really had a chance to try yet. I also run into a new shooter, it seems like almost every time I'm at the range, and they're usually shooting some rented micro compact or something like that is just absolutely no fun to shoot at all. So having this pistol on hand to make their early shooting experiences as safe and pleasant as possible is really important to me, and it's been an absolute home run so far. So the reason that I'm calling this project a complete success already is because I've been able to help 3 brand new shooters and 1 novice shooter that I knew personally, along with a number of other new shooters that I met at the range, have a much better first experience shooting than if I didn't have this gun. All of these new shooters were pretty much immediately put at ease the moment that they started shooting because the recoil and the noise they were expecting didn't exist. After they got over that, every person that has used the gun has immediately started having a blast because unlike most other guns a new shooter tries, the bullets go exactly where they want. I think a lot of us forget just how frustrating it was the first time we went shooting. Meh. Probably with bad hearing protection at an indoor range or in the woods or out in the desert, just for the purpose of flinging bullets all over the target without hitting what we actually want. Being able to hit what you're aiming at is not only a massive confidence boost right out of the gate, but it makes shooting more fun, and this pistol makes doing that easy. It's actually even better because, in my opinion, it really isn't any louder than a pellet gun. This last time that I had a chance to take some family to the range, we were shooting for about an hour and each of them just kept going back to the 22, regardless of the other options I had available. It was easy for them to work the controls like the manual safety and the slide and the large optic window, and they all shot just about as quickly as we could load magazines. And speaking of which, loading magazines as a newbie can be surprisingly challenging too. That's another thing that I specifically love about this gun and just any 22 pistol for the purposes of new shooters. Loading mags isn't a sheer force process. You can just pull down on the little tabs and placing the round is intuitive. These Taurus mags are also great because the standard mags hold 16 rounds and the extended ones hold 21, which just means more fun and less loading mags. Now, does that mean that all newbies need to start out with a suppressed 22? Of course not, but I strongly believe in making shooting a safe, fun, and stress-free process for those just starting out so that they're motivated to keep coming back. At the end of the day, we grow the shooting community by welcoming newbies in and sharing our knowledge concerning safe and effective shooting techniques. I think that having this pistol in my safe is a really useful tool specifically for that venture. And in full disclosure, almost everything I used for this project was provided to me by other people, but please don't think that this is the reason why I did this project. I've been thinking about this project for at least 2 years now, and after I decided to go for it a few months ago, I intended to buy all of this stuff myself, hence why I no longer own my Walther Q5. That said, I am very thankful for the companies that were willing to support me with their products in order to make this project more achievable. Because despite what people might think, YouTube does not make very much money. Silencer Shop provided me with the Huxworks Flow for this project. They make everything NFA quick and easy, and since they are the biggest suppressor retailer in the country, they probably have the suppressor you're looking for. Taurus provided this TX22 competition for the project, and it has been a big winner. I really appreciate that it's lightweight, high capacity, and that the optic mounts directly to the barrel. And finally, Big Tex Ordnance provided the optic for this project. Their shipping is super fast, they ship everything with candy inside, and their customer service rocks. All in all, this project is a complete success, and I see this pistol earning its keep in our safe for at least the next couple of decades. Now that this project is complete, let me know down in the comments how you would have tackled a project like this, and if so, how would your goals have been different from mine?